Hey, it's your southern boy. That palabra back once again. It's me, Mark. And it's been a while since we had a video upload. Yeah, due to the holidays, it's been crazy. So, I decided to do a video tonight or today because I made a boo-boo earlier. Yes. But before that, shout out. I really miss you all, guys. So I just want to give a big shout out to all my people. Urban Riders Club of the Philippines, shout out. Laguna Federation of Motorcycle Riders, shout out. And to those who are supporting me, man, shout out. Team BB, Short Notice Riders Club, 3 p.m. What's up, boys? Yeah, big shout out to all y'all. Papa's back once again to do these videos. So, as you all know, the Kawasaki Z650's front headlight, oh yeah, headlight front redundant, right? Well, there's OEM or the stock bulb of the Z650 headlight is halogen bulb. So, yeah, Papa right here decided to convert it into LED for better lighting condition. You know what I'm saying? We don't want to go night riding and with this beast right here and having poor visibility. That's a recipe for danger. So, but I did a little bit of noob mistake, you call it. For me, for a while I've been a car enthusiast, and I'm a car enthusiast and I like modding my vehicles. Back in my heydays, it was halogen, and then the conversion kit was HID. A couple years back, LED came into the scene, so your papa needs to go with the flow. So we started riding, jumping into the bandwagon of LEDs, you know what I'm saying? So, I did the conversion, but I did a boo-boo. I'm thinking that, the light pattern of an H4 for halogens and HIDs and LEDs are the same. But I was greatly mistaken. There's a proper positioning of the LEDs of the bulb, the LED bulb, so that you could have the optimum function. You could get the optimum function of the bulb. And recently, since having an issue with the lighting condition, I also decided to set up or to add a mini driving light. And the thing with naked bikes is that it's hard to find placement for accessories, because you could barely hide things. Even my horns are way out there. You could definitely see them, you know, like a kilometer away from the bike, and you'd know that the horns are sticking out, you know. So anyways, guys, we'll be doing go big bike. Now I think that's Ralph. By just listening to the sound of the motorcycle, I think it's Ralph just passed by. So going back, we'll be disassembling the head unit of, or the headlight system of the Z650 Kiwi, and we'll also show you the setup for how I mounted the mini driving light. All right. So let's get on with the business. Well, the disassembly of the headlight, it takes a bit of a process on this one, even if it's a naked bike. You have to pull out some screws and some nuts before you could get access to the bulb. Let's look for somewhere to place this. One moment. Let's look for. Okay, now I have this thing with screws, so I keep on losing them, so I have to look for a container for the screws so that I won't misplace them. Although it's pretty easy to find screws here, and especially here in the Philippines. There's especially where I live, there's a store called Screw Tech, and they specialized on different kind of screws. So if I lose a screw or a bolt or a nut, I would just visit the shop and get a replacement screw. Oh, I think that's Cheeseburger. Well, it's our pet cat. We have two pet cats. One is named Cheeseburger Cat. That's what my daughter named him. And then the other one is Senorita. But I prefer Senorita right now because she's a very good cat. She does listen. Actually, dismantling this thing wouldn't take you a few minutes, probably 10-15 minutes, to disassemble this entire face cover. I mean, that's still a pretty short disassembly time compared to bikes with fairies. Ouch. Drop it like it's hot. Well, I better take care of this one, because this is where all of my electronic IDs our tags are for the expressways, the South Luzon Expressway, the North Luzon Expressway, Calax, TPLX. That's where all my axes are. Predominantly, the expressways here are being managed by two, or it's basically called, the two system has two different names. It is not that complicated. Other one is called Auto Sweep, which is the southern part. Star Tollway, South Luzon Expressway, basically all fall under Auto Sweep, RFID. North is Easy Grip. Yep, that would be the North Luzon Expressway, the SC Tex or the Subic Expressway. Those are the places where we usually ride. Open roads, where we could push our machines to its limit. Not limit actually, because there's still a speed limit, but we kind of go a little over that. Yeah, I know, right? Because the thing with motorcycles is, especially if you're running on the expressway, is that most of your positions are basically blind sides of four-wheel vehicles like trucks, buses, and such. Cars, not that much. They could always see you. So we've dismantled the top. Oh, by the way, these ones are drivers for my light. What do you call that light? Mini driving light. There you go. This is a bit hard for real. Just a little nudge, and that'll be all good in the hood. Alright. I might have a little bit of issue on the other one, since the other bolt nuts or screw is beside the driver, but let's see. So you just have to move the driver a little bit. Out of the way. There you go. Whew. Whoever screwed this on really did. No, it was me. I think I over tightened it. But it's all good. Okay, so there you go. All you need to take out, it would be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 screws in total. And you can now slowly lift the face of the bike, the headlight. Now, someone actually asked me recently how I mounted the external or the mini driving light. So that's where I mounted it. In the triple tree, I had a one-piece bracket, cut it into half, and screwed it to the triple tree. So basically that's it. I need to disassemble a few bolts here and there, and so it can be my mounting point. Now that's not the main concern right now, but just in case you're wondering how I mounted it, that's how I mounted it. Now I just have to nudge this thing a bit. There's a rubber here. By the way, I'm using knob sight for my LED. So there you go. Just remove the rubber gasket, twist this bulb and pull it out. And yes, it's in the wrong direction. Because the thing here is that if you see, this one at the upper portion would be the low light, and this is the high beam. And the high beam should be at the lower portion when it's doing the bulb is positioned like this. The high beam should be at the back portion or the bottom portion, and the low beam should be high up there. So we're gonna make a little adjustment. There you go. Now it's in the right spot. Now all I have to do, basically this is my wirings are tapped on this side. I don't know if you can see it, but everything is tapped here. Even the mini driving light is tapped here. Okay, so let me just push this back, the rubber seal, and it should be all set. Okay, now all I need to do is basically pull up the driver and the connection up in here, and there's two pins here where I should be you should be mounting the headlight. There you go. It's a pretty easy fix. So there you go. You just push this back a bit. Just make sure that the headlight is properly mounted on the pins, and you should be all good. Let's just move the camera here a bit. Looks like everything is in place. So there you go, guys. It's how you disassemble the headlight unit for the Z650. Now, told you, no more than 10 minutes. Well, a little over 10 minutes. So there you go, guys. Remounting this would be just the reverse of what we did earlier. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. I don't want to bore you with the reassembly or with the assembly of the unit. But I want to thank all of you for supporting my channel, for watching my videos. Please, guys, feel free to subscribe, like my videos, and share, of course. In the future, we will be adding different contents. We will be adding gaming content. We'll be live streaming content or gaming content in the near future. And of course, we'll be looking forward to more giveaways. Aight? So, again, thank you very much for watching, guys. This is your boy Mark saying peace. I'm out.